Good morning, Hannah.
Good morning, Ben.
Are you ready for class?
Yes, I'm.
Let's go. Going to learn how to say in Arabic. Good morning. How are you? And what is your name? Do you know how to say good morning in Arabic? It is easy to do this. Just repeat after me.
صباح الخير.
Say again.
صباح الخير.
It was easy to say good morning in Arabic. But we want to learn more.
To learn more, repeat after me. And look at the translation. To know the meaning.
صباح النور. النور.
To say in Arabic for boy, how are you?
كيف حالك؟ حالك.
To say in Arabic for girl, how are you?
كيف حالك؟ حالك.
To say in Arabic for boy, what is your name?
ما اسمك؟ ما اسمك؟
To say in Arabic for girl, what is your name?
ما اسمك؟
To say in Arabic, I'm fine.
بخير الحمد لله. الحمد لله.
Now we are going to listen to conversation between Ali and Ahmed.
صباح الخير. صباح النور. كيف حالك؟ بخير الحمد لله. ما اسمك؟ أنا أحمد. وأنت؟ أنا علي.
Now listen carefully the next conversation.
صباح الخير.
صباح النور.
كيف حالك؟
بخير الحمد لله.
ما اسمك؟
أنا فاطمة. وأنت؟
وأنا نبيلة.